Welcome back to learning Muay Thai with Kru Hemanth Kumar, a three-time World Championship bronze winner, with over 30 years of training experience. By now, you must be familiar with thrust and roundhouse kicks. If you missed those videos, now would be a good time to watch those first.
Hello, and welcome you all for the next lesson about the Muay Thai kicks. I'm sure right now you are familiar with the thrust and the roundhouse kick variations. Today, me, Kru Hemanth Kumar from Masters Muay Thai Academy, and my student Ganesh would help you learn the angle kicks and the low kick. Now, what is the angle kick? Now, angle kick would be a little bit of variation of the roundhouse, but would be like an inward curving kick to the rib cage. Let's see what I mean now. Now, from the fighting stance, the roundhouse kick would open from the 45 degree as you learned earlier, wherein the angle kick would start to move from the inside. You would not open from the outside, you move from the inside and you would hit the rib cage here. And this we also call it as a close counter kick. We call it close counter kick because I would not reach the kick from the lead. I would go for a close counter kick like this. I would go. So, we'd go. So the main target area for us is the rib cage. Now the angle kicks are known to be more swift and fast. And when the opponent is in the fighting stance and you see any moment, there is an area open between the elbow and the rib cage. There's a very good opportunity for the kick to pass into the ribs. That's how beautiful is the angle kick. Let's now see how to form the position that will help us complete the kick, right? From the fighting stance, raise the knee up, develop your balance like your roundhouse kick earlier, and from here, gently turn in the ball of the foot of the standing leg and knee slightly bent, and this shin is what is going to be the weapon that will hit the target. So this is the complete formation of the angle kick at the mid-level that will be targeting your rib cage. Let's now see the second formation, which should attack the head or the torso level angle kick. Ganesh, you ready now? Ready, position, take a deep breath out, go easy, ready? The angle kick start from the inside, and like the roundhouse, they start from the outside. Ready? 1, easy, good. 2, breathe out, easy. 3, breathe out, easy, 4, 5, beautiful. So that is the angle kick towards the head, and that completes the lesson about how to perform the angle kick. We now move to the next lesson, the devastating low kick. Why I say that devastating low kick? However strong the person would be built physically, the lower leg has certain vulnerable points. If we penetrate those points in the right angle, anybody with any body weight can be brought down. That's why I mentioned initially felling the tree. So that is possible through your low kicks. Let's see how to go into the low kick position first. Ready? From the fighting stance, you slightly lift the leg up, and since this is a low kick, you would turn the leg at the 45 degree and then move the leg outside. This would just be the version of the roundhouse, but at the lower level, right? Since you're now familiar with the roundhouse kick, I don't think it should be difficult for you to catch up with the low kick. But the low kick is the most powerful kick compared even to the roundhouse. So you need to put a lot of practice. You'll also see the more advanced version when you see the lessons about the bag work and the pad work. Let's now see how to flow with the low kick now. Ganesh, ready? Take a deep breath out. Ready? Let's go slow. Ready? 1, easy. 2, 3, up. The same rule again. Tuck your hip in and turn the knee. Now this kick would be rising mid-level of your upper thigh. If you are practicing alone, you need to keep the measurement of your upper thigh, and the kick would pass through the mid-level of your upper thigh. Or if you have a partner training, they take in measurement the mid-level of the upper thigh of your partner. Ready? 1, there we go. 2, there we go. 3, that would be the completion of the lower kick, right? And keep your eyes in the front. Don't take your eyes away. Let there be a partner, let there be an opponent. Keep your eyes strong. The last basic tool to remember, your hand should be on guard. One hand should be on guard when the other hand goes for a kickback. Let's now see how swiftly Ganesh can move into the low kicks by himself. Ready, Ganesh? Take a deep breath out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. That completes the lesson about the kicks in Muay Thai. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. And as I say again, if you would like to master these lessons, the only way or the only mantra is to practice it regularly. And look forward for the next lesson. So please do not forget to hit the like and share of the videos, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. Thank you.